which I put it here. Look, 1 minute attention. Before 3940, approximately no any case of the lung cancer. And then look here, please, peak of the lung cancer come to 70, 75. Let's say for young person, lung cancer, we can say generally absent. In literature, I find three cases registering lung cancer for young 2025. That is very seldom common. That's why you can simply understand that this is atelectasis, not after the glucose form of the pneumonia, but this is atelectasis of the lung cancer. Right, please, classification by TNF. Here you must attract your attention into lymphatic nodes and into the size of the tumor. As I two main grades which will be different for you, it is the tumor size. Right, please, T1. What is T0, Tx? We say 110. So I don't know. T1, less than 3 centimeters. Less than 3 centimeters. Here there are some gradations you will see. T2, from 3 up to the 7 centimeters. From 3 up to the 7 centimeters. T3, two situations, or more than 7 centimeters, or invasive grow into the neighboring organs and structures. For example, in the pleura. For example, in the wall of the thorax. For example, into the breast. In the breast, it can go not only hematogeneously, but contactogeneously also, through the wall of the thorax, not lymphatically, contactogeneously. Remember about it. And T4, here we say size is not important. There are the metastases. We don't measure the size, we don't look the size. If there are distant metastases, we say that this is T4. Now about N, right please, N1, ipsilateral, one group of lymphatic nodes. 14 ICU, yeah? One group of the lymphatic nodes, ipsilateral in the size of the tumor. N2, 2-3 groups, ipsilateral, or one contralateral. 2-3 ipsilateral in the side, or one contralateral. N3, all others. If it is spread it and go to another side. No, about metastasis, I think everything is understandable. 0, no distant metastasis. M1, there are different locuses of the metastasis. Which locuses is another problem, another question. I don't want to start to speak about laboratory investigation. I start with big speed, but I don't want to give it, because your homework I give you up to the classification, up to the diagnostical investigations. Okay? In the practical class,